Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Rob Muffet. Guys, today I want to talk about how quick and easy it is to edit your video, at least edit the audio, using Grammarly. Grammarly is a free program you can put on your computer that will help you identify spelling errors, syntax error, grammar errors, and allow you to change them. YouTube has a free program that will capture your text, your words, and turn them into text. But they do a very good job. And a lot of people, they use mobile devices and phones, and they read the subtitles. And if your subtitles aren't accurate, it doesn't leave a good viewing experience to them. So let's go in to this one, and we're going to go to Subtitles, and over here on the far right side, we're going to do Duplicate and Edit. Now it's going to ask me, do I want to overwrite the track that's already there? Because they've captured my speech, and it has a draft of what they think I said. So well, we'll go back in. Now you can edit timings by clicking on this, and it'll give you the words according to the minutes and seconds on the video. But by using Grammarly, I can look on the entire page and see where the errors are. So we just hover over the red lines, and I know because I just uploaded this what I said. So like here, I think I said good morning. You can also click on the sound here.
Hey YouTubers, good morning, Rob Muffet.
And you can hear what I said if you don't know what you said. So I said good morning, it's Rob Moffett. Now, I don't actually add all the correct punctuation, but I do try to change the spelling errors, or where I did double words, or sometimes it'll add a word I think I should have added. I'll go ahead and add. But the biggest problem that the program has, it doesn't identify the letter I. When I say I, it puts it in not a capital. So, but it gets all my double letters when I'm talking. Like, who was that actor who used to hesitate when he talked a lot? I forgot his name. So this is how fast it is with Grammarly to change and make your text look a lot better when people are reading it. And there's a surprisingly large amount of people reading the videos. Like, I'll open up a video and then just read the text at the bottom of the page, and then open up another video and listen to it in the background, so I can see two videos at one time. Now, if you want to change something with Grammarly, if you hover over it, it might appear. Now this word, it heard right, but it's spelled wrong. So it only takes you a very short period of time. Grammarly is a free program, and this, I think, is going to help you get more views. Comma. When I'm done, I like to go back to the top, and like I said, I should capitalize some of these words, and there's some that probably you say and ah a lot, and you can remove it in the text. So that's good enough. Let's publish. And now when the video is shown on YouTube, it'll have the closed caption symbol at the bottom. So if someone is debating whether or not they should watch the video or not, they'll know yours has a subtitle they can read. And if they have a mobile phone, they're in a class somewhere, they don't want people to know they're watching videos, they can just read your video and see what's happening. All right, guys, hope that was helpful to you. I put on new videos every week. Been doing it for 14 years, got over 1,000 videos. Rob's Homemade Life, been doing it every week for 14 years. Check out my videos, guy. At least some of them got almost 1,100 now. There's bound to be a few you might like. All right, guys. Hope that was helpful. And I'll leave the link to Grammarly in the video description. All right, guys. Take care. See you out there.